I may be biased because I live in the home by this builder, known for their energy efficient homes, local builder here in Jacksonville. This particular model can be found in E-Town. As currently taping this, you can find it in Nocatee and Ponte Vedra. Check out this tour. Welcome to E-Town, and this is the Manatee Model by Providence Homes here in Jacksonville. Now, E-Town, I think, is a pretty cool, hip master plan community. It's got about 1,400 homes are going to be built here. And if you notice the style here with the windows on the side of the garage, those boxy windows, and on the front door, just gives it a cool, eclectic vibe. Before I get started, please help me out and press subscribe to my channel and like for this video and alerts for future videos. As we enter the Manatee, I'll let you know it's 5 bedrooms, 3 baths with a 2-car garage with golf cart parking. E-Town is a golf cart community by the Parker, which is also responsible for the development of Nocatee. It's just E-Town's in a smaller scale. So as you enter the home, here's your first bedroom. Double door closet. I believe this Manatee has 10-foot ceiling, so it makes it feel huge. Huge. Outside the first bedroom is the guest bath. This one has a shower with, again, another window for natural light. As of filming this, I believe there is Manatee models becoming available in Nocatee as well. But the difference is that they're significantly priced lower here in E-Town, which is in Duval County. But if that doesn't matter to you, whether it's Duval or St. Johns County, this location is, you can't beat it, because you're near the St. John's Town Center, 95 9B exit, and Jacksonville Beaches. Look at this kitchen, folks. I don't even need to tell you how gorgeous it is. Huge island, tons of cabinet space. Just a beautiful home. Here's your dining room. And then a little butler pantry area with a wine fridge. And check out the size of this pantry, it's huge. I don't know why I'm saying huge a lot today, but for some of you, don't let it offend you. This is a tandem garage. So you can park your golf cart and 2 cars. Of course, this is upgraded with the floors and those killer Tesla battery packs. E-Town premise is energy efficient, green. So these are all options, solar power, battery powers that recharge, that you can opt in for. I don't usually go in garages, but that's a killer garage. This home has a lot of upgrades, but the floor plan in the Manatee is super cool. Here's the patio with, again, an upgraded outdoor kitchen, pergola, fire pit out there. I always recommend this screened in lanai to keep the bugs out during the summer months, but the outdoor living is certainly a must here in Northeast Florida. If you don't want to permanently screen in your lanai, you can get a retractable screens that you just press a button and they go up on their own. I love how this island rounds like this. So you can sit around the island while your chef is preparing your meal and have a conversation. So you have one guest bedroom downstairs. Let's go upstairs and see what's up there. I mean, it says 5 bedrooms, so we have to have 4 more bedrooms up here. Again, whenever you're building a home, I always recommend getting as many windows as you can in the house. Natural light will just make it feel so much larger. So as we get up to the top of the stairs, you have a nice little loft area that opens up to your entryway downstairs. So you take a peek of who's coming in the house. And then you have your primary right off the loft here. Lots of windows. It's a tray ceiling. And then your primary bath.
Sorry, your device lost its connection.
Uh-oh. It's a smart home and I lost my device's connection. If you're tech-tarded like I am, maybe E-Town is not for you because it's pretty hip. Look at that shower, man, it's huge. There's that word again, huge. You got double vanity and they're separated and they're pretty large. His and her, or him and him, or her and her. Whatever your choice is. Nice size. Primary closet. Beautiful bathroom. So that was a primary. Right off the loft area. And then the laundry room separates the primary from the remainder. 3 bedrooms up here. You got a sink with the cabinets, washer and dryer. Assuming this is your linen closet. And then next to the laundry room is your second bedroom up here. Cool little light. The double door closet. Hallway, and you have 2 more bedrooms that share a bath. Well, they use this as a office den, if you will. Or 3rd bedroom's got some closet. And oh, this is a nice sized bedroom with lots of windows and a walk-in closet. I'd be fighting for this room if I'm not in the primary. And then a shared bath with double vanity. My videographer would be like, you know, you should have turned the lights on before you started shooting video. There's some subway tile, shower tub combo. They also tell me you don't need to spend that much time in the bathrooms. I don't know, bathrooms are pretty important. I think most would agree. And this Manatee model, just under 2,800 square feet. And it's a Providence home. And Providence is a local builder here in Jacksonville. They're not national, but sometimes these smaller builders They're just really customer friendly and really want to impress you, unlike a big, larger national builder, not saying any names. But Providence is also known for their energy efficient homes, which, speaking from experience, because I have a Providence home, the foam insulation in the attic will save you a significant amount of money on your electric bill monthly. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me. If you're ever in the Jacksonville area, I hope I can be your real estate professional of choice. It costs you nothing, especially if you're building a new construction home, to have an advocate who deals with builders every single day. I'm Greg DeTullio at Give Back Realty. Stick around for my next tour of the Royal or the Jackson by Providence Homes here in E-Town. Have a good one.